Got a friend who always drops awkward, spammy, or unwanted comments on your post? Facebook doesn't let you automatically hide all the comments from one specific friend, but you can hide individual comments manually. Limit who can comment on future posts and use workarounds to reduce visibility. Today I'll show you the real methods that work best, no third-party apps needed. Let's clean up those comments without drama. Method 1. Hide specific comments manually. Best for existing unwanted comments. Open the Facebook app on your Android phone. Go to your post with the comment you want to be hidden. Long press or hold on the unwanted comment until a menu pops up. Tap Hide Comment. The comment disappears for most people, including your other friends. The commenter and their friends can still see it. Facebook design, they will not know it's hidden from others. No notification is sent, super discreet. To unhide later, long press the hidden or grayed comment, tap Unhide. Repeat for any comment you don't want visible to the general audience. Method 2. Limit who can comment on your future post. Prevent certain friends from commenting at all on new post. For individual posts, when creating a post before posting, tap the audience selector. For example, friends or public. Choose friends, accept, search, and select the friends you want to exclude. Post it, they will not even see the comment box. For the all future public post, tap Menu and Settings and Privacy, then go to Settings. Scroll down to Audience and Visibility, then Followers and Public Content or Public Post. Tap Who can comment on your public post. Choose Friends or Friends of Friends. Limit outsiders. Note, this mainly affects public posts. For friends-only post, everyone who sees it can comment unless excluded per post. There you go. No more unwanted comments cluttering your post. If this helped you to take back control, smash that like button and subscribe for more Facebook privacy and Android tips.